Hey guys, welcome to GGS Garage. Today I am installing my CTS Turbo front mount intercooler. Now, the bumper removal is pretty straightforward. All you do is, so here's the front of the engine. There's little plastic clips, you pull them off. There's actually a little metal brace over here where it holds T25 bolts. From there you just take those off. Now where it gets a little tricky is actually trying to get the bolts from down here. This one wasn't really too bad to get off, but the one that was lower, the one that actually broke off here, the driver's side intercooler was actually resting against that bolt, so I couldn't really get that off well. But I did get it off. You have to pry this away from the vehicle just slightly to fit a 10mm deep well in there, and from there you can drill it out or ratchet it out. And with the CTS intercooler, you cannot unfortunately use your headlight washers. So if you're thinking about getting a front mount intercooler, that might be the case. I'll have to remove this and reinstall the bumper after full installation. So here are the intercoolers. This is the passenger side one. As you can tell, this is where the hottest side of the turbo is, where all the grease and deposit build up. Driver's side turbo is not too terrible looking, but there's a lot of oil blow by. As you can see inside there is a little bit of oil. So I'm actually going to try and clean this up with isopropyl alcohol, let it sit for about 20 minutes, wash it off, and see if I can resell it. These are the pipes that come with it. These are actually bead rolled, so you won't have to worry about the pipes blowing off if you're running high boost. This is one of the air scoops. I believe this is the driver's side air scoop, and this is the passenger side air scoop. So the kit, like I said, is pretty straightforward. What you do is you actually take off the crash bar, and the way to do that is, once you take the bumper off, is this bolt right here. I had to use a hex socket. I believe the size was 7/32, if you guys can see that. 7/32 on that. Or a T40 Torx, whatever works for you guys. Use a 10mm socket here with my little impact that I have here, the little DeWalt one. Hold the ratchet down here as you're using this to loosen this, just to hold this bottom bolt, and this should come off. Same deal with this. And the kit has it so that these bolt holes are already there for the usage, so you can already use that. One thing I do have to do, however, is down here where the ambient air temperature sensor is, I have to drill a slide hole in there just so that I can get enough clearance to put this back in, because this is a pretty important sensor. Controls thermostat and all your temperatures and whatnot. This is one of my boost, boost hoses right here, silicone, with my forged alloy boost pipe, or charge pipe that is. And it ran down from the passenger side intercooler to the bottom boost hose that is right over here, all the way from the bottom where the driver's side was intercooler, and from there this is where I connected the driver's side intercooler to, and finally to the throttle body. Now, as you may imagine, the long travel and the insufficient amount of air that goes in through the intercoolers can cause a lot of heat soak issues, which I've seen in numerous dual intercooler, side mount intercooled Audi TTs. And this is just one of the best ways to get rid of that, at least get rid of some of the heat soak that happens with these vehicles. So I'm gonna go and get everything installed here, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, that concludes my intercooler installation. So it looks like it's a pretty good fit. There are still some things I need to do as far as trimming goes. I might need a whole new front bumper. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But overall, it's pretty good. I did a log in my VACCOM. I noticed a 30-degree less interior temperature, which is a good thing. By the way, I just gave her a wash, so it looks a lot cleaner, especially during the winter months. It gets really bad. So yeah. As always, if you can enjoy this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, because there will be more content on the way. And with that, I'll see you later.